Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to today's vlog. It's Tuesday. I have some stuff I need to do this morning. I have to finish this Etsy order that I got. Have to put the decal on there. Not the decal, the vinyl on there. And then wrap it up and send it out. So you guys will help me do that this morning. And I'll share with you guys what I do with each order when I am getting them ready to send out, or whatever. So yeah, I guess this will be a short little Etsy shop owner thing going on. But first things first, I need some coffee, so let's make that. Let me show you guys the shirt that I'm sending out. So I had to put it out to air dry. Why is this not working? But it's just a bleached distressed t-shirt. The things with this is I have to list in my Etsy shop, like, not all shirts are going to look the same, not all the bleach is going to look the same, because sometimes it just depends on the weather. Sometimes they won't be super bright. So that sucks. In this case, it wasn't as bright as I was hoping, but it still looks really cute, and I think she'll still like it. So yeah, I'm gonna make this shirt, and it's gonna say mama, and then I have to send that out today. So right now I have my design ready. This is all my heat transfer vinyl, so HTV is what people call it. And I got it right here. I'm gonna unstick this right now, take the film off so I can use it. For heat transfer vinyl, if you guys have a Cricut, or like if you wanted to get one, what you need to do is you actually need to flip it this way, so the shiny part is face down and the non-shiny part is faced up, and you want to make sure you mirror your image, because if you don't, then you're going to waste vinyl and you're going to be very sad, because when you peel it, you flip it over and you stick it on the shirt, it's going to stay it the right way. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this started. On my maker machine set up right now. I'm trying to remember how I set up the Bluetooth. I can't remember, so that kind of sucks, but it's okay. And then this is the Explorer Air that I'm selling to somebody today, so she's gonna pick that up. I don't need it. I only need one machine. If I was super busy, then I'd probably need this, but I'm not, so I don't want this to take up any room. And let's get started. So what I'm gonna do right now, usually I sit at my desk, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna sit on the floor. Okay. What the hey? Okay, see? So pretty, right? Okay, mirror this. Okay. So now I'm just going to press continue. Boop. To continue, please connect your maker. we're going to do okay, so that's ready to go. Make sure you mirror. Okay, yeah, so it even tells you too right there. Make sure you mirror your image. So that's good, we got that. So let's get started. So I have it on my mat. Okay. So I just press the loading button. Gotta make sure it's not there. And cut. I keep all my stuff in, like all the small items. So I have tags right here, which those are actually supposed to go in the front. And then it just says, it says handmade with wash with cold water, inside out, air dry only. No, and then it says Nora But Up Co. So I just tag these on, and I use my t-shirt gun to do it. So this way it covers my butt if they're like, oh, the vinyl peeled off. I'm like, well, did you dry it? Like, yes, then that is why. So yeah, I just include this care card just to make sure that, you know, everything's in pristine condition and that the customer will like it. So yeah, isn't that cool? ahead and put this on. I like to just be very detailed with my stuff, be very professional, so yeah, I love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up now, so let's do that. So this is it. All ready to go, packaged out. I just have to put the shipping label on it, but I have to go to the office because my printer is not working right now. So I have to print that out there, do some work at the office, and then send this baby out and send the tracking number to the customer. But that's pretty much all I do. It is a long process to get an order out, but yeah, if you guys haven't seen my Etsy shop yet, go follow it. I think it's Nowhere But Up Co shop, and I'll link that in the description box below so you guys can check that out. And yeah, so I'm gonna go send that out. I got this order done with. I love, like, honestly, processing orders. It's like probably the funnest part for me, just because you put in so much detailed work into it. So now I'm gonna go get ready though, so we can head out to the office. And yeah, so we're at the car wash right now. It's 70 or 67, but I think it's like 75. I know, it's gonna wait a second, okay? Just getting my car washed. We need to wash so bad. And I like this one because it does a good job for cheap too, so. I also was able to sell my Cricut machine to the girl that came, so that was cool. Glad to get that out of the way. She cash apped me, which I'm waiting for my cash card to come so I can use the cash. I don't know. What, baby? Her name was not Sophia, baby. But yeah, we're getting our car washed. Oh yeah. Okay guys, right now we are on our way to meet Josh's uncle for dinner. We're gonna have some barbecue. Uncle James. Yes, Uncle James. And we're really excited. I'm excited to eat some good food, have a good time, chill, you know, and to see him and stuff. Me too. I think the next time we're going to see them is in July, right?
Keisha's going to make it because she's working.
Yeah, Keisha's working, so we're going to see them in July, so in about like 2 months. Well, technically like a month and a week, right? Because it's the beginning of July that we're going.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
Turn right on
Yeah, so we've got Country Jam this upcoming month in
Or should we just go
June.
to Florida? Just like,
I don't
would you
know.
want to go to Florida?
I would, but I just don't want to like spend the money. We're gonna spend a lot of money over there if we go to Florida. But yeah, so we're gonna eat some scrub, and then go home. I got some Cricut projects I want to work on, so I'm probably going to do that when I get home. And I'm excited. I got another shirt that I have to do too for my friend. She wants the tie-dye shirt that I showed you guys from this morning. She wants that exact one, but in a different size, obviously. So, gotta make that for her. Yeah, I'm excited. I love crafting and stuff. So. I'm excited! We all know you are, Maddie. But yeah, so I will catch you guys up later. Hey guys. So we just got home. I am so tired right now. I feel like, I don't know, I'm just really tired. But we went to dinner, then when we got home, I took Maddie on a bike ride. She really enjoyed that. And now I'm in my office, gonna get some me time, hopefully. Cue Madison. Yes, baby?
Can I, my iPad's not charging.
Yes, go get it. It's probably charged right now.
No, it's not.
So then you can go on my phone for a little bit.
Okay.
Here, go please.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to me and Mommy's channel. This is Madison, and Ben is probably in her kennel. So somebody's not allowed in here, but I'm loud.
You are. But right now, Mommy's getting her some mommy time. So go hang out in your room and play with your toys, okay?
No, I'm going to play my iPad.
Okay. So is your iPad charged?
No.
Okay, if it's charged and you're on both my phone and your iPad, I'm taking both of them away. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to go look, and if you're on both your iPad and my phone, you're not going to go on either of them.
Okay.
Sometimes she does, she'll go on like my phone and her iPad and play Roblox with both of them. Like, Jesus, child is cray-cray. Anyways, tomorrow, my save the dates get in. So, I'm going to start sending those out, which reminds me I actually need to start, writing down all the addresses I've gotten so far and going over my list and seeing who I need to ask for their address. So I got these cute little coffee stamps. I don't know if I showed you guys earlier, but it has a cafe latte, cafe mocha, cappuccino, espresso. Yeah, look at, aren't those so cute? So it comes with, so I only just got a book. So I got a book of these, and then I have these left over that I haven't used yet. So I have quite a bit to send out if I need to send out an extra book today. And yeah, so that's an update for you guys. Right now I am going to work on a design for me and Maddie to use for, so I want to make us a t-shirt. So I'm going to come up with a design right now, not come up, but do a design and hopefully make us some t-shirts probably tonight. I don't know though, it's already kind of getting late, so I don't think I'll have time to make a t-shirt for us, but at least the design will be come up with. But yeah, I just wanted to end the vlog for you guys already, just because it's been a pretty long day for me, and I'm just ready to go to bed, and hopefully I can edit a vlog tonight, because I haven't been editing them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.